Wait to go. So, and look at the view. You know, nakakatawa. Expect.
You're watching Ridel's Creation. Venture into the unknown.
Hello guys, good morning. So today we are going to Mapa Nuepe Lake and I'm using my motorized bicycle right now. So this is the first time, hopefully not the last. This is my first ride adventure, solo adventure, plus the longest ride will I take around 100 kilometers.
5 minutes later.
Guys, I'm still around 500 meters away from home and I just feel like I just want to come back home already. I don't know if I'm doing it right. All I know is I just want to do it. No matter what happened, I've been preparing this for a very long time. And I bought the things that I need. So there's no turning back. There's no turning back, guys. And look, since it's a motorized bike, this load is quite heavy, plus all of this and this one. So I really don't know if I can make it to Zambales. That's why I stopped. But I want to remind myself why I started, why I want to do it, what are the lessons will I get, since this is like the first and hopefully not the last, like the first experiment that I will do, and my solo driving alone. So yeah, see you later guys, and I'll keep you posted.
2,000 years later.
Right now guys, I'm now with Magalang, and I think it's around 20 kilometers from home. So oh my god, I'm happy at this point, and yet we still have 80 kilometers to go. So I will update you later. Thank you so much.
2 hours later.
I can do this. I can do this. So yun no, hindi pa tayo nakakalayo.
Take the next right onto St. Joseph Street.
I don't know if I will continue this or not. I don't know if I'm regretting for this decision or what. All I know is I just need to reach my destination. Anong gusto niyo, merienda? Wala akong pera pero may merienda ako. No, ganito gawin natin. Tutulak natin yung bike ko hanggang dun sa bridge. Tapos bibigyan ko kayo merienda.
Hindi magsisiyal.
Gusto niya? Sige, sandali. Adto
May titit pa daw.
Bisaya ako, mama ko Bisaya. Akala niyo? Tara.
Bisaya rin yung mama na.
Oo, baka magkamag-anak yung mama mo. Sandali. Dahan. Wag niyo yung tutumbayan, may matatapon yung merienda natin. Nagpatulog na ako guys sa mga bata. Grabe. Dahan-dahan ha. Slowly tayo. Slowly.
Ang gaan nga eh.
Ang gaan ba?
Opo.
Wait lang. Stop. Nabibitawan ko yung motor. Ang gagaling niya. Promise. Sige, tuloy. Sige pa. Galing talaga, may merienda kayo sa akin. Sige, sandali. Wait. Andali. Wala palang stand yung bike ko. Andali. Dahil tinulungan niyo ako magtulak. Meron ako ditong biscuit. Di ba? Tig-isa-isa kaya. Sa'yo.
Salamat po.
Yan ha. Wala akong pera pero pagkain meron. Okay? Sige na. Ano pa nyo? Saan kayo pupunta niyan? Uwi na kayo? Baba na kayo doon. Salamat ha. Salamat din sa pagtulong. Grabe, ang bait nyo. God bless. Sige na, babay na kayo. So ayan na, this is the steel bridge. So I'm going to cross this bridge and I'll see you later there guys. And look at these little kids. They help me to go up the hill here. So as you can see, there's a lot of motorcycles coming. So I'm so excited for this journey guys. So please samahan niyo ako and kita-kita tayo doon. Yay! Bang! This is the view, guys. Look at this. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. It's magnificent. It's super beautiful. And the water is, look, the water is so clean. So let's have a try. Let's try to have some. Let's try to have some. Ligo, ligo. So. Oh, wow. You know, you can swim here because look at the water, guys. It's so clean. Gentle reminder also, always bring your trash with you because this is a very clean environment, so you have to be responsible for your trash, guys. Look, guys, binigyan tayo ng free rice and with free ulam ni ate. Then she's so kind, she's so generous. I'm going to ask her name later. So look at this, guys. You know, they give me free rice and free ulam, though it's my fault to left my cooking tools. But you know, since last night he gave me rice and ulam, so you can see still the kindness everywhere, guys. So they are so kind, very entertaining, and well, generous so much. So ate, whatever your name, I'm going to ask you later. So thank you so much. I am in free hot water kay ate Jovelyn, mga caretaker dito, which is napakabait. So thank you so much. Free ulam with ate Jovelyn, mga caretaker, guys. Puso ng saging, guys. galing kay Ate Jovelyn. Free. Bango. Plus wow ulam. Wow ulam. Baka naman wow ulam. So guys, kain na tayo. So, alam nyo guys, si Sir Alwin, isa siyang motor rider and nagka-camping sila dito. So, binigyan niya po tayo ng carbonara pasta. Wow. Today, it's his birthday. He's celebrating his birthday here. So, eating this carbonara with this kind of view guys. Wow. Saan ka pa? So, tara, kain tayo. Ayan guys, so follow nyo si Kuya. Ang channel niya ay
Alwin Ride Venture for the YouTube at saka sa Facebook, Alwin Ride Venture. Ride
ayan.
safe.
Motocamping no,
Motocamping lang tayo. Enjoy lang natin ng nature.
Sige po, salamat
Together
ulit.
with nature. Sige, ingat.
Ayan guys, so ito po si Sir John.
Jan.
Follow nyo po yung page niya sa YouTube tsaka sa Facebook, tama ba?
Yes sir.
Ang pangalan po ay
Mapanwepe Lake, Aglao, San Marcelino, Zambales.
ayan, ilalagay po natin dyan sa kung saan man yung channel niya. So, pwede po siya maging tour guide nyo. Tama po ba?
Tama po, tama.
So, siya po yung magsisilbing assistance nyo dito or tour guide. Kung gusto nyo po, ilalagay natin yung link sa baba at saka dito na rin sa screen.
Okay.
So, salamat po Sir Jan.
Okay,
Ingat
thank
po
you sir.
kayo.
Thank you na marami.
Thank you
Balik po kayo,
din.
balik.
Enjoy ko po so much.
Thank you sir.
Rodel!